How to inspect a diesel generator, a comprehensive guide. Inspecting a diesel generator is essential for maintaining safety and optimal performance. Below is a detailed guide on the key points to check during an inspection. 1. Guarding rotating parts. Ensure that all rotating parts of the generator are properly guarded. This helps prevent accidental contact and reduces the risk of injury. 2. Hot surface protection. Check that any hot surfaces are equipped with guards. This is important to prevent burns or other injuries to personnel working near the generator. 3. Operator safety measures. Verify the presence of a rubber mat for the operator. This not only provides comfort but also improves safety by reducing the risk of slips and falls. 4. Safe standing area. Ensure there is a designated safe standing area around the generator. This area should be free from hazards and allow for safe access and operation. 5. Oil leakage inspection. Look for any signs of oil leakage from the oil tank and other components of the machine. Oil leaks can lead to hazardous conditions and should be addressed immediately. 6. Wheel stoppers for vehicle-mounted generators. If the generator is vehicle-mounted, confirm that wheel stoppers are in place. This prevents the generator from rolling or moving unexpectedly. 7. Access to the control panel. Ensure there is proper access to the generator control panel. This allows operators to monitor and control the generator easily and safely. 8. Exhaust pipe orientation. Check that the exhaust smoke pipe is directed upwards and outside the generator shelter. This helps prevent harmful fumes from accumulating in the workspace. 9. Dip tray condition. Inspect the dip tray for any signs of oil leakage. A properly maintained dip tray can catch spills and prevent environmental contamination. 10. Drive belt condition. Examine the drive belt for any cuts, dents, or damage. A well-maintained drive belt is crucial for the generator's efficient operation. 11. Adequate ventilation. For indoor generators, ensure there is adequate ventilation. Proper airflow helps prevent overheating and ensures efficient combustion. 12. Presence of fire extinguishers. Confirm the presence of an ABC-type fire extinguisher nearby. This is essential for emergency response in case of a fire. 13. Damage-free operating switches. Check that all operating switches are free from damage. Malfunctioning switches can pose safety risks during operation. 14. Functionality of instrumentation. Verify that the voltage and temperature meters, circuit breaker, oil level indicator, and emergency switch are all functioning correctly. This monitoring equipment is vital for safe operation. 15. Standard earthing. Ensure that standard earthing is provided with an earthing pit. Proper earthing protects against electrical faults and enhances safety. 16. Acoustic system for mobile generators. For mobile generators, confirm that an inbuilt acoustic system is present if the noise level exceeds 85 decibels. This is crucial for compliance with noise regulations and protecting the hearing of personnel. By following these inspection points, you can ensure the safety and reliability of the diesel generator, preventing potential hazards and enhancing overall operational efficiency. Regular inspections not only protect your equipment but also safeguard the well-being of all personnel involved.
This is all about today's topic. Thanks for watching Funny EHS Info. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get immediate notification of our videos. Share our videos to your friends and colleagues to create safety awareness. If you have any questions and requirements, please comment in comment box.